Number 1.
1996 Toyota Tacoma, price $5,500, clean and well-maintained pickup equipped with a 2.4 LL4 gasoline engine and automatic transmission, paired with a 2WD drivetrain. It has traveled approximately 240,554 miles and features a green exterior with a tan interior. The vehicle runs and drives very smoothly, reflecting its overall good condition and proper upkeep. It has recently been fitted with a brand new battery and alternator, and the tires are still fairly new. While there is a minor issue with a cracked washer fluid canister near the top/neck area, it can still be filled, just not to full capacity. The heater and air conditioning systems are functional, although they are somewhat weak and may benefit from a recharge. Overall, this Tacoma presents as a solid and reliable truck with a clean title in hand, ready for its next owner.
Number 2.
1998 Ford Ranger, price $4,000, rear-wheel drive pickup that has traveled 168,000 miles. It is equipped with a manual 4-speed transmission with overdrive and powered by a dependable 2.5 L 4-cylinder non-interference gasoline engine, known for its durability and ease of maintenance. The truck features an eye-catching orange exterior paired with a brown interior, giving it a unique and classic appearance. Overall, the engine and transmission function is expected, delivering a solid and reliable driving experience. The vehicle also comes with good tires, adding to its readiness for daily use or light-duty tasks. With its straightforward mechanical setup and proven reliability, this Ford Ranger stands as a practical and dependable choice for those seeking a simple, no-nonsense pickup.
Number 3.
1998 Ford F250, price $5,000, solid and well-maintained full-size pickup that combines durability, capability, and classic styling. Powered by a reliable Triton V8 engine, it delivers strong performance both on and off the road, further enhanced by its 4-wheel drive system, making it well-suited for a variety of driving conditions. This truck has had 3 owners and has clearly been cared for over the years. The interior remains in well-kept condition, showing minimal wear and providing a comfortable cabin experience. On the outside, the paint is in good shape with a clean appearance that reflects proper maintenance. It is also equipped with a set of quality tires that are ready for the road, adding to its overall drivability and value.
Number 3.
1992 Ford F250, price $5,800, well-maintained full-size pickup with 233,000 miles on the odometer. It features a silver exterior paired with a gray interior and is powered by a gasoline 460 cubic inch, 7.5 L V8 engine, delivering strong and reliable performance. The truck is equipped with an automatic E4OD transmission, which was remanufactured by Ford at some point. This F250 runs and drives very well, with the engine operating smoothly and producing solid power. It also comes with a newly installed water pump, adding to its overall reliability. The drivetrain includes a 4x4 system with a manual shift transfer case and autolocking hubs, along with 4.10 gearing and a limited slip differential in the rear for improved traction. Additional features include an extended cab for extra interior space and a toolbox mounted in the bed for added utility. The vehicle holds a clean Washington title and is ready for its next owner.
Number 5.
1989 Ford F-150, price $4,999. The truck is presented with 113,000 miles on the odometer, a manual transmission, and a classic red exterior paired with a clean gray interior, running on gasoline. This pickup is equipped with a highly dependable fuel-injected inline 6-cylinder engine, paired with a smooth-shifting 5-speed manual transmission. The truck features a clean, straight body with well-maintained paint, along with a notably tidy interior. It includes a comfortable and clean bench seat, as well as power steering for easier handling. Recent updates include newer tires, along with new brakes and an exhaust system, adding to its reliability. With only 113,000 miles, it stands out as a hard-to-find, dependable pickup. Additionally, it comes fitted with a heavy-duty hitch and holds a clean title.
Number 6.
1994 GMC Sierra 1500, price $4,000. It has been driven approximately 266,000 miles. It comes equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. Finished in a red exterior with a gray interior, this truck is powered by a 5.7 L V8 engine that runs smoothly and delivers an impressive sound, enhanced by an aftermarket exhaust system. The transmission, a 700R4 automatic, shifts reliably without any issues, and all features on the vehicle are reported to be in working condition. Currently used as a daily driver, its mileage continues to increase. The truck has been lowered by 3 inches in the rear, giving it a more aggressive stance, and it sits on 17-inch American racing wheels wrapped in good condition tires. Additionally, it comes with a set of 15-inch staggered GM rally wheels. For added practicality, the bed is protected by a hard tonneau cover to keep it dry, and the truck has been fitted with new lights all around. The only noted issues are a crack in the windshield and some imperfections in the paint.
Number 7.
1999 Nissan Frontier, price $4,900, dependable compact pickup with 211,000 miles, a manual transmission, gasoline engine, blue exterior, and gray interior. It has been a reliable daily driver over the past 2 years and handles various driving conditions well. With a strong and capable 4x4 system, the truck has received several recent updates, including new spark plugs, ignition wires, distributor cap, front shocks, a driver's side torsion bar, plus a spare, and a new exhaust manifold. The tires still have good tread remaining. As expected for its age, it does have some typical wear, such as faded paint and a worn headliner, along with a slight lifter tick. The AC is believed to work but likely needs a recharge, while the heater functions very well. Overall, it's a solid and honest truck that's ready for daily use or light off-road duties.
Number 8.
1991 GMC Sierra 1500, price $5,200, well-maintained classic pickup with 189,000 miles, featuring an automatic transmission and a striking blue exterior paired with a matching blue interior. Powered by a 5.7L 350 engine in a stepside 4x4 configuration, this gasoline-powered truck has received significant recent maintenance, including a new water pump, alternator, spark plugs, distributor, and spark plug wires. The throttle body injection system has been rebuilt with new seals, and the injector has been replaced. It also comes equipped with a new radiator for improved cooling performance. Inside, the entire interior has been replaced, offering a refreshed cabin experience. The truck is fitted with a modern double-DIN stereo system, complete with a backup camera, as well as an upgraded sound system featuring two 10-inch kicker subwoofers. Additional features include tinted windows for added comfort and style.
Number 9.
1986 Ford F250, price $6,000, well-maintained diesel truck with just 53,000 miles on the odometer, finished in a brown exterior with a beige interior and equipped with a manual transmission. This vehicle has had only 2 owners, with the current owner having kept it for the past 2 years and driven approximately 1,800 miles during that time. Under current ownership, the truck has received extensive maintenance and updates, including a new clutch, replacement of the rear axle seals, a new fuel pump, new master cylinder, new glow plugs, a new starter, new batteries, fresh belts, and a complete fluid refresh. The truck comes with a clean title in hand, reflecting careful ownership and consistent upkeep.
Number 10.
1996 Mazda B2300, price $2,500, it has accumulated approximately 160,000 miles. Finished in a red exterior, this truck presents a classic and straightforward design that remains appealing for those who appreciate simple, durable vehicles. It is equipped with a 5-speed manual transmission, offering a more engaging driving experience and better control, especially for drivers who prefer a traditional setup. Mechanically, the truck runs and drives well, making it a dependable option for daily commuting, light hauling, or general utility use. Its compact size also makes it easy to maneuver, whether in urban environments or tighter spaces. The vehicle comes with a clean title in hand, providing peace of mind for a smooth ownership transfer.